Hello and welcome to Crouton Cracker Jacks. Today I'm going to show you how to make this broccoli chicken garlic Alfredo in a skillet. There's no draining anything, everything is cooked in one pan. Super easy, super quick, and absolutely delicious. These are the ingredients that you'll need. So let's get started. I'm going to start off with a large 12-inch skillet here, and I've got that over medium-high heat. I'm going to add in some olive oil, and I'm just going to brown up my chicken here. And once your chicken is cooked, go ahead and place it off to the side of the skillet. And in the center, you want to add in 4 cloves of chopped garlic. I know this seems like a lot, but trust me, it really isn't. And you just want to cook this in the center there for about 30 seconds or so. You don't want to burn your garlic because it's going to give an awful taste to your finished dinner. And once you can start to smell it, you want to add in a 14.5 or 15 ounce can of low sodium chicken broth. And you also want to add in 1 cup of water to that. You could also use another cup of chicken broth if you wanted to, but I didn't want to open a second can for that. And you want to bring this to a boil, again, over medium-high heat, and stir this. And as it comes up to a boil, you want to scrape the bottom of your pan and get all those brown bits of deliciousness off the bottom of your pan. You want all that flavor in your finished dish. Now, once that comes up to a boil, you want to add in 1 head of broccoli. This is just plain raw broccoli. You can use frozen if you would like, as well as 8 ounces of dried pasta. I'm using, I think this is penne rigata. You could also use mostaccioli or ziti. Really any kind of pasta that you want to use, you can use for this. You just want to stir this around and make sure that all of those noodles are covered with that water and chicken broth. Just kind of push them down with your spatula there. And once that comes back up to a boil, you want to cover that and turn the heat down to either warm or low, whatever your lowest setting is. And you want to cook that for 20 minutes. And after about 4 to 5 minutes, I like to take the lid off and give it a quick stir, just to make sure that none of that pasta is sticking to the bottom of my skillet. And then go ahead and cover it back up and let it finish cooking the rest of the way. And after 20 minutes is up, you can go ahead and remove the lid. And you can also turn off the heat at this point because it is no longer needed. Give it a quick stir, and you will notice that there's not a whole lot of liquid left in the bottom. The pasta has absorbed almost all of that liquid. And then you want to add in 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, as well as a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. You could also use half and half or even whole milk if you wanted to keep it really ultra low fat. And the Parmesan cheese, I'm using freshly grated Parmesan. You could also use the stuff in the green can. That's perfectly fine. Use what you got. And then finally, I'm going to grate some fresh nutmeg right over the top. You want to go easy on the nutmeg because it's very strong. It can overpower very quickly. Just a pinch of nutmeg will do. And then go ahead and stir all of that together. And once all the cheese melts and everything is coated nicely, you can serve it as is. I like to let it sit for about 5 minutes and it gets extra creamy that way. And then go ahead and serve it up. And there you go. That is how I made broccoli chicken garlic Alfredo in the skillet. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. And if you guys want to see more skillet meals, go ahead and leave me a comment down below telling me which ones you would like to see. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.